Okay guys, so today we are having a resume writing and cover letter session, and I will tell you some tips and techniques for that. So let's start it guys without wasting any time. So resume and cover letter version. First of all, we will see the importance of resume and cover letter. Then we will see some key components of a resume, and then we will discuss some resume writing tips, cover letter basics, structuring a cover letter, common mistakes that we need to avoid, and final tips and best practices. So what are the key components of resume? Contact information, summary or objective, work experience, education, skills and certificate, and additional section. So in contact information, you must always give your current email address, contact number, and your home address, so that it will show the authenticity of your profile. And if you have LinkedIn profile, you can give the link of LinkedIn profile also. Then coming to the objective, it is a concise overview of your profile, of your experience. So always be very careful while writing the objective of the resume. Work experience, detail work experience from your previous and latest employment. Always start with the latest employment and then go to the previous employments. Similarly, goes for education, list that degrees earned by you and show the latest degree at the top, and then go to your previous degrees. Skills and certification also plays a vital role. So if you have done any skills certification, and if you have any skills, hard and soft skills related to your job requirement, so don't forget to mention that skills also. For example, if you are applying for a project management or digital management job, so put the skills like project management skills, digital management, social media marketing, SEO, WordPress, PHP, something like that. So next, additional sections, like if you have done any volunteer work, so put that volunteer work also. It plays a vital role, and it also shows your personality and attitude, that you are a positive person, optimistic person, and you can do work voluntarily also. Essential resume writing strategies. So what should be the length of resume? Usually 1 to 2 page, not more than that. Don't make so much resume so lengthy like a letter. And then always use bullet points for readability, so it will make clarity. Okay, so the recruiter don't have so much time that he will check each and every line. If they are in bold letter, italic, or bullet point, it is easy to read. Then come to focus on achievement with quantifiable. Use action words, use words like you managed it, you developed it. Okay, so use words like this. And focus on achievements like you increased sale by 20% last year at this office, or something like that, which shows your achievements, your positive attitude, that you are result oriented person. Customize for each job application. Okay, the common mistake that we do is, like, we do the job search and then created a CV, resume, and then send it to all. This is a common mistake we should not do. Tailor your resume to reflect the specific job description and skills. Make each and every time new resume when you are applying for a new job, check which kind of job requirements are there, and then edit your resume and then send. Otherwise you will never get a response if you use one CV in all the jobs. Resume formatting guidelines: always use a professional font that is like Arial or Calibri, and use the right font size, that is I think 10 or 12. Okay, not too much big, not too small. So maintain consistent margins on both the pages, set standard or 1-inch margin on all the sides, and then ensure equal spacing to make it more clear and concise, and use bold and italics wherever where it is important. Okay, if you want to highlight something, bold it or make it italic. Then coming to